Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have Powfu, Jaden, and Sarcastic sounds here with their song called Snowflake. So this one is a great song, and it goes pretty much in the same way through the entire song. We're going to look at the different chords here, but also this cool melody that goes on into the strumming here. So yeah, let's start here. No need for any capo on this one, but we have 8 different chords to learn. So let's start with those 8 chords. We have first the F, so you need to bar the first fret here, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next, G, so 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. This one is A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then comes C. So 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And these first 4 chords will make up for about kind of 90% of the song. But we want to learn the full song here, so let's go on with the next 4 chords. We'll start with E chord here, so it's open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And we have D, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. F sharp minor. So you bar the 2nd fret this time, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final will be A. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So there's your 8 chord, guys. So like I said, F, G, A minor, and C, that will last for long on in this song here. So we have this melody here going on. I'm gonna show you this melody first, just the melody, and then we're gonna look at how to incorporate this into a strumming. So the melody goes like this. Okay, so it's built upon the chord progression here. F, G, A minor, C, G, so F, G, A minor, C, and G in the end there for a while. So that is how this melody is built on these chords. So where do we find this melody? Let's start from the beginning here. First one is on the 2nd fret G string. You play that 2 times, and that is the part that belongs to the F chord. Next comes the G chord here. You're gonna play it in open B string 2 times. And then comes the A minor. You're gonna play that 2 times on the 1st B string. And then comes the C chord. You're gonna find the melody here on the open E string 2 times. Okay, so we can stop there. So let's recap here. Start from beginning. On the G string, 2nd fret 2 times. Then open B 2 times. 1st fret B 2 times. And open E 2 times. F, G, A minor, and C. And then we have the G part left here. And you're gonna play 6 times, or actually 7 times, but we can start with 6 times on open B string. So okay, and then comes this part. Okay, so that will be open, and then you hammer on the first fret B string. So open B and you hammer on the first and then pull off. So it will be open B string, first B string, and open B string. But you actually play it just once with your right hand. Okay. And then second fret G string and open G string. So this last part, G, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So now when you play this melody and try to have some kind of a strumming here, you're gonna alternate the actual chord here, which we're playing, that belongs to different melodies, and it will be, of course, from F to G, A minor, C, and to G. You're gonna play and alternate the melody notes. So if we start with the F on the second fret G string, then you're gonna alternate this downstroke here, and you try to really emphasize the G string here. But it doesn't matter if you hit the D and G together, it will be fuller sound. So it's actually good if you do that. Hit the G string together with the the G and D together, and you can play this one time, and then you alternate that with the bass strings here. In this case, the E string here. So for every note in the melody, you will alternate with one down on the bass strings. So for F, it will be E. For G, it will also be E. And then for A minor, of course, the A string, and C, there, that's the same case there, the A string here. And then for G, back to the E string. So slowly, melody, bass, melody, bass. Sorry. And then comes G, switch there, bass. And then you switch to A minor, bass, 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 melody, bass. And then comes G here. And then for this last part is you're gonna just play the notes with some sort of a strumming. You could hit B, where that is, of course, where the melody lies. And you can strum that together with the open G string. And when you come up here to the G string here, you can play that together with the D string. So, like this. So you don't have to alternate when you play this part, because there's actually no time for it. So just the melody on this last part here. So I'm gonna play this very slow for you so you can be able to follow. So let's go. Yeah. So that's the parts how you play the melody with the strumming. Now, if you choose to not play the melody, because that is okay as well, you can just play the different chords there. So we will have a different strumming pattern for this. So the strumming pattern will be down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. So like this. So down, 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 up. So that is how I play it, more on the bass strings for the first two downs, and then more on the top strings for the last down, down, up. So we're gonna play one round of this strumming pattern for F, then one for G, then one for A minor, and one for C. So one for the first 4 chords there, and when you go back to the final G, you're gonna play that for 4 rounds. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, F, G, down, 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 up, C, down, down, up, 2, 3, and 4, and then again F. Yeah, so like this. Goes like this through the entire song. Alright, so you can choose to play either a melody with this alternate strumming pattern, melody and bass note there, or this last strumming pattern that we just learned. So if we just look at the different rounds there for each part, it's actually not necessary, but there's some parts there where we just play the melody, so that's why we're just quickly gonna go through it. So it starts with one chorus there, so it will be played for 2 rounds. Then comes the first verse. You will play that also for 2 rounds, and in both cases here you can play either the strumming, just clean strumming, or the kind of melody strumming there. And then after this comes a second chorus. That will be for 2 rounds as well. And after this second chorus comes an instrumental part. Same way there, just 1 round for this melody or the strumming. So for the next second verse there, this one consists of 2 rounds in total, but the first round you will just play the melody. So like this. And then on the second and final round for this second verse comes the melody or the strumming here. And after this second round, in this second verse here, comes a bridge part. So in the lyrics we are at, yeah, the hurricane came, broke all our feathers. Yeah, so that's the bridge part there. And this is just the melody part again for 1 round. And then comes after this a final chorus. I'm gonna play that back again to standard strumming or the melody, just for 1 round. And then comes this outro part. And here is why we need to have this last 4 chords with us. Since here everything drops down, it goes down, so we're gonna play the same kind of melody or beat there, but we're gonna change the chords. So now we're gonna play the D, and then E, then F sharp minor, and then A, and then E for 4 rounds. So to repeat this, everything is the same, just to switch out the chords to D, 1 round of the strumming. And then comes E, 1 round. And then comes F sharp minor, 1 round. And then A. And then E for 4 rounds. So this chord progression will go on for 2 rounds, and you will play that very, very slow. So it's, I mean, half speed for what you played before. So with these 2 rounds ends this cool song by Powfu, Jaden, and Sarcastic Sounds called Snowflake. So I hope you enjoy this one, and I'm glad I got my voice back. I got something in my throat before, so yeah, I think you heard what I said through this tutorial. So yeah, see you soon guys, and don't forget to like this tutorial if you like it, and even subscribe if you haven't yet. Helps me a lot. So see you soon, and don't forget guys, play tuned.